The animated videos package. What if you could have 18 native French speakers in your classroom, ready to chat with your French students 24/7?
Fantastique.
What if those French speakers led your students on a scaffolded journey to French proficiency?
Merci pour votre aide.
Mon plaisir, Madame Suzanne.
What if they helped cover all 4 strands of reading, listening, speaking, and writing in French via 9 real-life situations, including eating at a restaurant,
Voilà un menu. Vous désirez?
Qu'est-ce que vous recommandez?
navigating streets,
Alors, on doit commencer en direction nord.
meeting new people,
Bonjour. Comment t'appelles-tu?
Salut. Je m'appelle Ahmed. Quel est ton nom?
expressing thoughts and actions,
Je lance. J'attrape.
discussing daily routine,
Au spectacle, j'aime porter des shorts et un pull.
citizenship,
Katie?
Elle est la voisine de Nathalie, n'est-ce pas?
Oui. Et Nathalie est russe.
expressing viewpoints,
Il me semble qu'on doit se décider.
Il est certain qu'on doit se décider.
paying compliments,
Quel compliment agréable. Mais toi, tu danses comme une ange. C'est épatant.
shopping,
Puis-je vous aider?
Bonjour. Je voudrais acheter 3 articles s'il vous plaît.
What if we were to provide you with all 9 animated sketch versions for your students to work with?
Merci pour votre aide.
Mon plaisir, Madame Suzanne. Merci d'avoir appelé DJ Delf Inc. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
9 versions where your students can interact with the female francophone of each sketch.
C'est au coin du boulevard des Poires et la rue Marin.
D'accord. Allons-y.
9 versions where your students can converse with the male native French speaker from each sketch.
Bonjour Rockstar, merci pour l'entrevue. J'ai plusieurs questions à vous poser aujourd'hui.
Salut, mon plaisir. Posez-les.
And 9 modifiable, blank bubble versions where French students can make their own original sketches.
Bonjour, comment ça va?
Salut, ça va bien, merci. Et toi?
Oui, bien sûr, il fait beau.
Finally, what if we bundled it all in one package? One package where you get all 36 interactive animated videos, a 27-page guide, the 430 plus ideas edition, all parts of the animated videos package on instant download. You and your French students will love more than just the videos. The animated videos package is a complete French resource. The guide includes a thorough introduction and all the assessment and evaluation tools you will ever need. Full sketches with interchangeable vocabulary for your students to practice on end. And blank, modifiable versions for students to create their own authentic sketches. Furthermore, the 430 plus ideas edition will engage your students in hundreds of more authentic challenges and scenarios, including multiple grammar lessons. So, what if we could do all this? What would we call it? The Animated Videos Package. Visit our website to get your Animated Videos Package via instant download and let your French students begin their guided journey to French proficiency today.
D'accord, allons-y.